Hey everybody, and welcome to the Quadcopter review. I'm your host Pepe Prawns, and as always I'm going to ask you to like this video if you like it, comment if you care to leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful to you with the problem or you like the video content. Also, don't forget to go ahead and look up here at the top, and you're going to find all the giveaways going on here at the channel. Now with that said, let's go ahead and jump into today's topic. So you just finished building your quad, you expected to turn it on and see this, but for some reason, you don't really know why, you turn it on and you see this. Well, I'm going to tell you how to troubleshoot getting an OSD but a black screen from your camera. Now there's several reasons why this can happen. I usually start at the camera. First thing I do is I resolder down all my pins for the camera and make sure I'm soldering them into the right place. If that doesn't work, I pull out a new camera and I solder that down and see if the new camera does the same thing. I check the VTX, but it's really not necessary because if the VTX is showing me an OSD, that means I'm getting OSD out of the board, it's coming through my VTX, and it's coming into my goggles. But if I continue to have no camera, what I do then is I straight solder together the camera wire out of the camera into the camera wire of the VTX. If I then begin to see anything, I know that the problem is on my flight controller. However, if I now get a black screen with no OSD, I know we still have something going on. So in my case, on the Mamba Mini Stack, I've been using that little port there on the end for ground every time I've used it and built one. I've built about 6 out of it. The 2 boards I recently got, all of a sudden that isn't working for ground. So I had realized that after 2 days I had continued to use that ground pad, and I finally moved that ground pad to a new ground pad, and boom, I can see everything's working. Wasn't the camera, wasn't the VTX, it was a ground pad on the flight controller itself. Didn't find anything out there about that, so I wanted to put out a video so you guys know that it can be just a bad ground on your board or a bad 5 volt on your board. So try moving your wires and checking that out as well. Now if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out in any way I can. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and as always guys, happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.